In this video, I'm going to show you how you can assign ringtone to contact on your Redmi 12R. First of all, you have to open the phone dialer. Then you have to go for from the recent to the contacts. And if you don't have any contact, you can simply create it quickly. So I'm going to give it a random name, then click save. And right now it appears on the screen. So click on the three dots in the right upper corner and then move to set the ringtone. Right now we can pick, for example, the file manager when we'll have access to the all files that we have on the phone, but also we can go for the default sounds, and that's what I'm going to choose. As you can see, we can find a list of all default ringtones. If you want to pick this one, just click and then tap OK. If you want to set the custom ringtone, click to add the ringtone and then tap on these three lines in the left upper corner and go for the Redmi 12R. As you can see right here, you can simply find all storage that you have on your phone. So if you want to give it this custom sound, select and click OK. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.